My 1970s Datsun pickup truck desperately needs a new exhaust. It's never sounded good, but on my last road trip, a mounting bracket snapped. Every bump since has been torture, as the exhaust now slams into the cab. I've spent a lot on the truck recently, with 2 new tyres, a new floor, and a full rebuild for the AC. Therefore, I need to get this exhaust sorted for as little as possible. Right, today I'm on the quest to find a new exhaust for the Datsun. So apparently there's a guy who lives in Sansai. So the trouble is I don't know who this guy is, where he is, but apparently he does these really nice exhausts for around 3,500, 4,000 baht. So yeah, like really cheap. So today I'm going to look and try and go find him. I was to begin the search by heading to my friend Bon's workshop. He's the go-to guy for classic cars in Chiang Mai and can fix anything. Over the years he's helped me out a lot, and it's him who first told me about this elusive exhaust shop almost a year ago. Yeah, I just popped by to ask about exhaust.
Huh?
You know, exhaust?
Exhaust?
Exhaust.
Exhaust what?
Oh, sorry.
I don't know exhaust.
Exhaust. Exhaust. Boop, 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 boop.
Oh, exhaust.
Yeah.
Exhaust.
Exhaust.
No, exhaust.
Yeah.
And you
Maybe I know. No, yeah.
I know. I know. So big style. Exhaust.
Exhaust. Yeah.
You make on tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah, tomorrow morning. I'm transfer you for the shop exhaust.
Yeah. That sounds good.
แล้วก็this stay here for just for me. This for he this exhaust.
Yeah. Do you think he do take one day?
Yeah,
Exhaust?
one day.
One day,
This,
yeah.
This I call him. I call him. This you have to time for the.
Yeah, please, yeah. And then because it'd be good because at the moment it's a bit loose, so it's like do like on the cab.
Oh.
Yeah, so I think it need new. I think it's not sound good, maybe.
I know.
and then after we sort out exhaust, I'll ask it. We'll sort out the suspension.
I call him now.
While Bon ran the exhaust shop, I checked out this Mazda Familia short bed that was in his workshop. As well as the Datsuns, these Familia trucks are also very popular in Thailand, with many still being used for work today. Pretty amazing after 50 years. Anyways, the exhaust shop was pretty busy, so Bon booked me to go there in a few days' time. He would come with me to show me where it was. Right, following Bon now. He's got to take this car ahead for a new battery. So he's going to show me on the way where this garage is. Located just off the 132 ring road and no markings on the map, I would never have found this place on my own. So I was very pleased with Bon taking me there. He told me that these guys were good and very old school. All they needed to know was quiet, medium or loud. With this sorted, I had to return in 24 hours, when it should hopefully all be completed. When I returned the following day, they were just finishing off the second section. The first already fitted. It was completely handmade and I was very impressed. They showed me how the old exhaust sat below the cross members, where it took a lot of impact from bumps. They had therefore skillfully designed the new exhaust to sit above the cross members, so I won't have any more problems in the future. While in the air, I could also see the large amount of oil leaks. It's never ending with this truck. Earlier, when they'd asked me how loud I'd like it, I'd said quiet, as I didn't want to listen to a droning exhaust on long drives. So they fitted 2 silencers to the exhaust. They told me if I wanted it loud, they just straight piped it to the back, and medium, maybe just 1 silencer. But I was really happy with the result. Chop, yeah.
You make in Thailand.
Yeah, well, it's good. I mean, it's a very good price. I was well happy with the new exhaust. It sounded awesome. The new path over the cross members and the stainless steel construction, meaning I'll never have to worry about it again. The price for all this work? 4,000 baht. And this included all the mounting brackets as well. Absolutely amazing value. And with no more banging, the truck is once again ready for another road trip.